If you've ever written a Java program, you know the feeling. You end up with this folder just overflowing with files. Well, today, we're going to crack open the simple but super powerful solution to that chaos, the jar file. We're going to look at what they are, how they work, and honestly, why getting a handle on them is a total game changer for any developer. So let's get into it.
Okay, picture this. You've just finished coding your masterpiece of a Java application. It's brilliant. But now, you've got your .java files, your compiled .class files, maybe some images for icons, a config file here and there, and all of a sudden your project folder is just a digital mess. I mean, how are you supposed to share this with anyone without sending them a zip file of total chaos?
Well, the good news is you don't have to live like that. Java actually has this really elegant and powerful solution built right into its core. It's designed to solve this exact problem of packaging everything up nice and neat.
All right, so first things first, let's really dig into the problem. I like to call it code chaos.
This right here, this says it all, doesn't it? That scattered list of files on the left isn't just messy, it's a recipe for disaster. It is so easy for one critical file to get lost or for someone to end up with the wrong version. The goal, what we're all aiming for, is that beautiful simplicity on the right, one single professional package that you can send to anyone with confidence.
And that simple solution, the hero of our story today, is the jar file. Let's see how this brilliant little package clears up all that clutter. You know, this is the perfect way to think about it. A jar file is basically a digital suitcase for your application. It's one container where you pack everything your code needs to run, keeping it all neat, tidy, and ready to go anywhere at a moment's notice. So, what does jar even stand for? It's short for Java Archive. And hey, if you've ever used a zip file, you already get the basic idea. It's a compressed package of files and folders. But this one is specifically optimized for Java applications. So, if a jar is a suitcase, what exactly are we supposed to pack inside? Come on, let's open it up and take a look.
Inside this suitcase, you're going to find three main things. First, your compiled .class files. Think of these as the clothes, the essentials for your trip. Second, you've got your resources, things like images, sound clips, text files. These are your accessories. And third, and this part is absolutely critical, you have something called the manifest file. This is your packing list. It tells the Java environment what's inside and, most importantly, which one of your files has the main method to actually start the whole application.
Okay, so we know what goes inside the suitcase, but how do we actually pack it? Let's walk through the process of creating a jar right now.
It's actually a pretty straightforward three-step dance. First, you write your code in your .java files. Then, you use the Java compiler, Javac, to turn that human-readable code into runnable .class bytecode. And finally, you use the jar tool to bundle all of those files and your resources into that single archive. And boom, just like that, your suitcase is packed and ready for its journey.
So we know what jars are, we know how to make them, but why does this really matter? What's the big deal? Let's zoom out and look at the big picture.
This right here, this is the real magic. Jar files are not just about staying organized. They are about the incredible power of portability. You create one single jar file, and it can be run on any machine in the world that has Java installed. Windows, Mac, Linux, it makes absolutely no difference.
Now, you might be wondering, how is that run anywhere promise even possible? Well, it's all thanks to something called the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. The best way to think of the JVM is as a universal engine. Any computer with this engine installed knows exactly how to open up your digital suitcase, unpack everything, and run your application perfectly. It's like the ultimate travel adapter for your code. So, to sum it all up, jar files give you amazing portability, letting you run your code anywhere. They simplify distribution down to just sharing a single file. And they give you the organization you desperately need to manage complex projects. Honestly, getting this down is a fundamental step for any serious Java developer. So there you have it. You now have the key to professionally packaging and sharing your Java applications. You are ready to pack your own digital suitcase. The only question left is, what amazing project are you going to build, bundle, and share with the world?